from 3.6 million down to 3 million. Only 20,000 reservation fee and 46,000 all-in down payment promo. Pag na-approve sa bank, 22,000 monthly amortization lang. Kita mo yan? This is Twin Homes Unit located here in Villaggio Enclaves, located in General Trias, Cavite. This is a ready for occupancy unit. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng ready for occupancy, this is one of the best option. Ayun po. So, ang pangalan niya Twin Homes, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, 2 unit lang po na magkatabi yan. Pag tinurn over yan, with 3 bedrooms, with 2 toilet and bath. With tiles po ha, may mga built-in cabinet din sa mga kwarto and may 2 car park. Sa likod, meron kang provision for your dirty kitchen and laundry area. 80 square meter ang lot area and 55 square meter ang floor area. Napakaganda ng bahay, para ka nang naka-single attached, pero sobrang mura. Kung ang 3 million sa iba, townhouse lang. Dito sa amin sa Villaggio Enclaves, duplex na, complete finish pa. So what are you waiting for? We only have 2 units left. So if you are interested with this unit, let me know. My number is already posted in this video. Contact me now. Sayang po, baka maunahan ka. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are new to my channel, please do me a big favor po. Please subscribe and hit the bell button found at the lower right of this video screen. Thank you so much for watching and bless you all po.